1. Constructor safety for maintenance. 2. Introduction. The contractor contact is the individual responsible for the coordination of contractor or subcontractor project work activities. 3. Lesson objectives. Describe the hierarchy of controls as it relates to personal protective equipment, PPE. Identify types of personal protective equipment utilized in general industry. Explain personal protective equipment training requirements. Explain employer responsibilities regarding personal protective equipment. For employer responsibilities, employers must protect employees by assessing the workplace, eliminating and reducing the hazards found using engineering and administrative controls, using appropriate personal protective equipment. Remember, personal protective equipment is the last level of control. 5. Hierarchy of controls. Elimination/substitution. Engineering controls. Administrative and work practice controls. Personal protective equipment, including respirators. 6. Hierarchy of controls. This requires workers to wear specific equipment. For example, a worker must wear properly fitting and high-quality PPE. 7. Types of PPE. Head protection. Frequent causes of head injuries include falling objects from above, striking the head, bumping the head against fixed objects such as exposed pipes or beams, accidental head contact with electrical hazards. 8. Why is head protection important? It protects the brain, ears, mouth, eyes, and nose, essentially covering the entire head. 9. Head protection. Frequent causes of head injuries include falling objects from above, striking the head, bumping the head against fixed objects, such as exposed beams, accidental head contact with electrical hazards. 10. Classes of hard hats. Hard hats protect against impact and penetration and provide low-voltage electrical protection, proof-tested to 2,200 volts. 11. Class E. Electrical design for electrical and utility work, providing protection against falling objects, impacts, and high-voltage electrical hazards, proof-tested to 20,000 volts. 12. Class C. Conductive. Designed for comfort, offers limited protection, protects heads that may bump against fixed objects, does not protect against falling objects or electrical hazards. 13. Eye and face protection. Safety glasses and goggles. Face shields and welding face shields. 14. Face shields. Face shield protect the face from nuisance dust and potential splashes or sprays of hazardous liquids. However, they do not protect from impact hazards unless rated for such. To protect the eyes, one must wear safety glasses with side shields or goggles on the face shield. 15. Welding shields. Welding shields protect the eyes from burns caused by infrared light, intense radiant light, flying sparks, metal spatter, and slag chips. 16. Hearing protection. Use earplugs for noise levels exceeding 85 dB and earmuffs when operating noisy equipment like generators and air compressors. 17. Exposure to noise levels. Prolonged exposure to noise levels over 85 dB can cause hearing loss. Hearing protection is required at noise levels of 90 dB or higher. Implement an effective hearing conservation program by checking decibel levels and requirements. 18. Permissible noise exposure. 29 CFR 1910.95 B. 1. Employers must provide ear protection when the noise level in the work area exceeds the levels indicated in this table. 19. Examples of hearing protection. Disposable phone plugs, molded ear plugs, noise-canceling ear plugs, earmuffs. Consider the noise reduction rating, NRR, of devices. 20. Types of PPE and picture presentation. Anti-vibration gloves, chemical-resistant gloves, leather palm gloves, permeation-resistant gloves, heat-resistant gloves, cut-resistant gloves. 21. Examples of foot and leg protection. Impact-resistant toe and or instep, steel toe and composite materials, heat-resistant soles, metal shanks. Specialty footwear may be needed. Metatarsal guards, liquid or chemical-resistant options, conductive or non-conductive footwear. 22. Body protection, protective clothing. Workers should wear safety belts or harnesses for fall protection on site. These must be clipped when working at heights greater than 1.80 meters. A high area means a free fall of 1.8 meters or more, measured from the feet of a standing worker to the floor or ground.